more minutes. It's a dog ground area.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.